Hello, this is Trisha from Sandy and Otto, and I have an antique mall haul today. This is from, there are several antique malls, and there are several cities in my area that have antique malls. And this is one of the larger ones, I will say, in the area. And so this is just partial of what I got at that antique mall and a really fun variety of things. So we'll see. I've got some, they put them in boxes. They were nice. They wrapped things up and they put them in these kind of smaller boxes that were a little more manageable, make sure nothing got broken. So that was very nice of them. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put out new content like this and when I go live for my sales. Now, these items will start being incorporated into my live sales, which are every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time and Saturday night at 10 p.m. Eastern. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to start with an item that isn't wrapped, which is this cute little teapot, little like trinket box made out of cardboard. And on the back, it does say 1983 Merrimack, made in Hong Kong. And it is our version of the antique is what it's called. But I thought that was so cute. Two little girls having a tea party. Little planter, but this cute little pixie guy, and he's got a little, I don't know, some kind of a flower as a hat, and he doesn't have a mark on the bottom, but I thought he was a cute little planter, and there he is again. He's got kind of pointy ears, but I thought, and a little curl on his toes, so I thought he was a cute little pixie. And this is a beautiful blown glass parrot. Thought that was so pretty. It does look like maybe one of these had may probably previously been broken off, but that's okay because the parrot is really exceptional. Really cool on that one. Oh my, yes. Look at this Fenton vase. Beautiful white with the blue crest. Oh, that was so pretty. There is the bottom. Look at that nice little swirl. Isn't that cool to go with the swirls that are there? I love that vase. It's a pretty good size. Not humongous, but definitely a little taller than just a little bud vase. And oh yeah, look at this purple vase. There is the top. Beautiful white accent on that. But isn't that a stunner? Oh, I love that. There's the bottom. Now this is clear. So it is clear on the outside. And you can see the purple comes up through the inside there. And then we end with some white. Oh, I like that. Okay, that's one box. Now on to box number two. And oh, we've got a bunch of kittens. Oh, and I did forget to mention, and so for all of you who are listening to this, I did forget to mention all of these items are available for sale now as you're watching the haul. If you're interested in something, let me know. Now it's not marked on the bottom, so I'm not sure who made this, but we've got one, two, three, four little kittens with mama there. So cute. I know I've gotten very out of the habit of having things being able to be available for sale, but I'm giving it a try and see how that works. And oh, yes, look at this pretty little bird. So here's a glass bird with a kind of peachy, orangey little center there. So pretty. This has two pieces of tape on it. Oh my. There and there. Okay. And oh yeah. So these are fun. Now these are some kind of a plastic or maybe an acrylic, but they are coasters. So we've got this nice kind of sisal, maybe rattan in the middle there, and then the rest of these are some kind of a plastic or an acrylic. Oh, so cool. We've got the blue and the green, yellow, red, and orange. So that is a set of 5. Those are so cool. And oh yeah, this. Oh, stained glass bowl. Oh, this is so pretty. So nicely done. Real stained glass. You can actually feel all of the little sections of this. This is just so unique, so pretty. Try to get that, there we go, into a little more of the sunlight there. So you can see the pretty reflection of it's like a pink and a dark pink, light pink and dark pink. So nice. Then there is this beautiful, this is an amberina. Um, here we go. I'm not sure you're going to be able to see. Maybe you can see that bottom light up there with the amberina. But yeah, that has a pretty glow to it. And then we've got a clear little ruffle around the top. So that is a beautiful little, I'm going to say it's like a vase. Be really pretty to have like a little rose or something floating in there. Real nice. And then again, I'll see if we can get there. You can see a little more of that amberina glow there, how it turns into kind of an orangey yellow. Oh, this one's making a little noise. Okay, well, this guy's definitely going to be in the Christmas in July sale at some point. Look at his eyes. That's what was making noise, is he's got these kind of blinky eyes. And he is marked Chicago on the bottom. But isn't he just fantastic, little Santa? He's got his big old candy cane back there and a little bell attached to it. But yeah, I just loved his little bouncy eyes there. And this is a two-parter because it's a little trinket dish. There we go. Pretty little blue. Oh, does it go this? It goes this way. Pretty little blue with that little bluebird on top. Isn't that nice? I don't see any kind of marking on it as to who made that, but oh, it's so pretty. And it's really not, when you're looking at it, it's really not that the bottom is that much bluer. It's just when the light hits it just right that the bottom does look a lot bluer. And these, I do pick these up when I find them. This is by, and I'm gonna forget his last name. His name's Robert. Last name starts with a K. It's like Karlinski, ooh, something like that. And he does a whole series. He does mugs. Let's see, I've had garlic jars. Oh, I had some other kind of a jar, but he does this whole series and they're called Ugly Face. So if you look up Ugly Face, you will see a whole bunch of these. They are so funny and they really pop out of the stoneware that he works with. This is unglazed and the rest of this is glazed except for the bottom. That's not. And the inside is all nice and glazed. Can I get the light in there? It's hard to get the light in there. But yeah, these are fun. They are very popular. Each one is completely unique. And yeah, they usually do have little mustaches on them and crazy eyebrows. So they are a really fun series. And so when I see those, I pick them up just because they are so neat, so creative. So here is a little, I'm gonna say, is that wood? Mm, this is kind of looking maybe like it's paper mache. Could be paper mache. Little turtle. And look at, he's got the bobblehead. Here is the bottom. So yeah, I'm thinking this could be, it's so light and so hollow that that could be paper mache. But oh gosh, isn't he just so much fun with those little head bobbing around? And then this is the last item. And oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Look at that. A pair of flamingos. And it is a planter. And it is marked made in USA. Let's see. Where does it start? Right there it starts. Made in USA. And then there is a mold number, which is 611 on it. And oh, isn't that pretty? Well, that's a good one to end on. That is just lovely. So yeah, so this is part of the really fun haul that I picked up at that one antique mall. And yeah, so I will be pulling in a few more for my next unboxing. And yeah, look for that Santa in the Christmas in July sale. That's going to be a whole lot of fun. But yeah, so anything else, if you are interested in any of those items, let me know. You can put it in a comment. You can send me an email. My email is in the description. And again, they'll start being incorporated into my live sales Saturday night at 10 p.m. and Wednesday at 4 p.m. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.